Okay, first up for my airsoft guns, I have the aoo-2 airsoft gun. Right now. Boom. Of course. And then next up, I'm going to say best for last, of course, I have the M16.
Nobody cares.
The airsoft gun. It's pretty cool. And best and last but not least, I have the Daisy Powerline air rifle, or Daisy Powerline 35 air rifle. Pretty sweet. Yeah, pretty long actually. I want a scope for it, but can't actually get a scope for it, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Well, those are all my airsoft guns, so till next time.